METATRADER4 winning strategy. This strategy is strictly meant for MT4 and not MT5. You cannot use this on derived platform. This is strictly meant for MT4 brokers and not MT5 brokers. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. You can easily do this or find out regulated forex brokers by typing best regulated forex brokers into Google search bar or regulated brokers into Google search bars, and you see a lot of regulated forex brokers. And after you've seen anyone you want to use, kindly copy the names and paste it into Google search bar again and put scam or scam in front of their name. You will have a lot of useful information concerning that particular forex brokers. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. And before you go on to trade, make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there's any news that may likely affect your technical analysis. It is important that you check that. You can use other forex news aggregator, but I used Forex Factory, so you can use them also. It is free. And if there's any news concerning any forex currency you want to trade or pairs, make sure you stay away completely from that particular pairs 30 minutes before the news and 30 minutes after. Better still, you can stay away completely from that particular currency or pair for the whole day. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning trading strategy. I've come up with these few forex indicators today to show you how to trade profitably with these particular forex tools on the METATRADER4 brokers. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. Now let's move on to today's strategy. I have few indicators on my chart. As a matter of fact, I have 3 indicators. I have the moving averages here and the TDIL indicator. So I'm going to show you how to use it now. It is simple and anyone can use it. The first thing you have to look out for is the crossing of these 2 moving averages. I have the blue crossing below the deep pink at this particular point for a sell, and for a buy the blue must cross above, and the TDI line, the 2 line must be above the yellow for a buy before you consider any trade. And we have some few arrows on the chart here. The yellow arrow pointing up is just showing the crossing of this blue and red line. Blue above the red line, it will give us a buy arrow which is upward, and green below the red will give us a down arrow, and this is how this arrow will come up. So it is simple and anyone can use it. As I said, this is meant for MT4 and not MT5. Now let's combine all the indicators together now and see how we can use it profitably. At this particular point, we have the 2 line of TDI crossing above the yellow line for a buy, and here we have my moving averages crossing for a buy. So this is a good signal, and we have this line too that serves as a support or resistance point for a buy, and this is a good confirmation, and the market did deliver at this particular point. So this is a good signal, and this is how to use this particular forex tools on regulated forex brokers. And for a sell, we have the same thing here. we have the deep blue crossing below the, we have the blue line or the blue moving average crossing below the deep moving average for a sell at this particular point. We have this arrow pointing down for a sell, and when you check at TDI Langore indicator, the two line did cross below the yellow line at this particular point for a sell, and this did deliver. So this is how to use this particular indicator, and it can be used on any pairs you want to trade. Currently I'm trading on JAMA 40, which you can do. So you can use this to trade indices, either US 30, Nasdaq, JAMA 40, US 500, as many indices you have on your MT4. You can use this to trade meta like gold, silver, platinum, and other metals you have on your MT4. You can use this to trade any forex pairs you want to trade, like Euro USD, Great Britain Pounds USD, USD Canadian dollar, Great Britain Pounds Japanese yen, and this can be used on crypto like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Memecoin, Doji, as many crypto you have on your MT4, and the crypto pairs like BTC, ETH, BTC USD, ETH Euro, as many crypto pairs you have on your MT4. Make sure you check them out, and this can be used to trade stock like Google stocks, Amazon stock, Tesla stocks, CAT stocks, as many stocks you have on your MT4. So this is how to use this particular strategy on MetaTrader4, and some people do ask if they can use it on the mobile devices. You can use the two moving averages on mobile devices. You can set it up, but the other indicator you can only use it if you have access or you paid for FOREX VPS. So if you have FOREX VPS, you can set this on your desktop, on your remote desktop, and check the signal on your mobile phone. That's the only way you can use it if you will use a FOREX VPS, and we have a lot of FOREX VPS outside there. Make sure you check them out. Now let me show you all the indicators I use for this particular strategy, since I do not want to keep this particular video very long. So as I said, I have the moving averages here, and the first moving average I use is 12 exponential, and applied to low I use a blue color, and the second moving average I use is period 26. MA method is exponential and applied to low, and I use deep pink, and the symbol changer just to change or to check different pairs. Then the last indicator on the indicator window is a TDI Langore filtered indicator, and these are the value that I did use. You can pause the video and set it up accordingly, or you use my template. I did include my indicators and template. Make sure you check the video description for the links to download it. So this is how to use this particular strategy. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so, and do give me a thumb up. Now let's check it up on another forex pair. This is Australian dollar, Japanese yen. We have a cross here. The two moving average did cross, and the TDI Langore indicator did give us a signal here for a good buy, and this did deliver. Your stop loss will just be few pips below the previous low for a buy, and few pips above the previous high for a sell. Then your take profit can be 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Then for confirmation or continuation of the trend, we have a cross here for the first our trade. This is another continuation here. We have this arrow here to add more to our trade, and it did deliver. So this is how to use this particular strategy on MetaTrader4. If you check back again, we have a cross here for a sell. We have confirmation here from TDI, and we have opportunity to add to our running trade at this particular point. So this is how to use this particular strategy on MetaTrader4. Make sure you trade with regulated forex brokers and check Forex Factory before you place any trade. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. And do not forget to give me a thumb up. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow forex trader, Joe, and bye for now.